Motorola is gearing up to launch its impossibly thin Edge 70, aka Moto X70 Air in China. Edge 70 global launch set for November 5th. The Edge 70 will come bronze green and lily pad and measure just 5.99mm thick while weighing a mere 159 g. The phone will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The design sticks to a flat edge frame with a punch-hole selfie camera and a triple rear setup, led by a 50MP main sensor, joined by a 50MP ultra-wide, a 50MP front-facing camera, and the inclusion of a dedicated AI button from Blast Video. Edge 70 will bring a 6.67-inch OLED and a 120Hz refresh rate. Edge 70 will come equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. Run Android 16 out of the box. The Edge 70 will have a 4,800 mAh battery, support for 68W wired and 15W wireless charging. The phone will have speakers with Dolby Atmos. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The 4,800 mAh silicon carbon battery with 68W wired charging support. A rumored price of around €700.